Hello everyone, my name is Tonia McLeod, and my individual project is about the Bureau of Community and Health Systems within LARA, a department for the state of Michigan. LARA stands for the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. LARA is responsible for the state of Michigan's regulatory environment. They oversee the licensing and regulation of more than 1.2 million individuals and entities annually. LARA's mission statement is customer-driven, business-minded. Within LARA is the BCHS unit. This stands for the Bureau of Community and Health Systems. This unit supports the state-licensed home and camps, state-licensed child care homes and centers, state-licensed health facilities, and also oversees the background checks to federally certify all providers and suppliers. The first business system selected is security. Security is the #1 component of all business systems within BCHS. Security is for off-site access, and it requires two-factor authentication to make sure that people are connecting off-site with strong security. A password change for most databases is required every 30 to 90 days, and all passwords are required to contain configurations. For the in-depth system analysis for security, I chose to use the SWOT analysis. The potential internal strengths for security are up-to-date software and technology, the two-factor authentication, strong passwords, and a training program. Potential internal weaknesses for security within LARA is the lack of training, weak passwords, old databases, unethical employees, and lack of management. Potential external opportunities are new federal law regulations and working with other states to be able to streamline the out-of-state process for background checks. The potential external threats are other states not cooperating, the information is hard to obtain for the out-of-state background checks, and the added cost to the public. The second business system selected is Internet and Cable. LARA uses the State of Michigan intranet through Microsoft Office. It allows a secure network to access the Internet both on-site and off-site. It allows BCHS employees to connect via email, Skype, video conferencing, and telephone conferencing. And the State of Michigan has its own servers that provides important information to the public safely. The in-depth system analysis for Internet and Cable is also broken down with the SWOT technique. Potential internal strengths are retrieve data from any location, communicate regardless of a person's location, and it's a cost-effective way to store data. Potential internal weaknesses are employees choosing to hack or share information, employees lacking knowledge of Internet safety, and outdated technology. Potential external opportunities support and help options that are offered on the company website to the public. Potential external threats are hackers outside of the organization. The final business system selected was wireless. Wireless is crucial to the daily operations of the BCHS unit. It allows employees to perform certain jobs off-site for required inspections. It also allows employees to access information from anywhere on a wireless-enabled device such as laptops, tablets, and cell phones. Employees can also perform important functions and provide assistance immediately to the public thanks to wireless technology. I also chose the SWOT analysis for the in-depth system analysis for wireless. The potential internal strengths are the fact that it's cost-effective for off-site employees, it allows for quick communication, and allows them to perform off-site work responsibilities. Potential internal weaknesses are that if there's not a wireless connection, it can halt all job activities for some areas, which also affect the public as well. Potential external opportunities is the public can access LARA information from any location. Potential external threats are employees not connecting with a secure connection, and hackers can still obtain information when employees are working off-site. My 3 top business system recommendations for security, internet and cable, and wireless would be to provide extensive training on the importance of security within the company, installing some type of software on company devices that does not allow employees to be able to access databases without being on a secured wireless connection, and to upgrade old databases to ones that offer better security features and options. That is the end of this business system analysis presentation. I hope you all enjoyed this presentation on Laura's business systems. I look forward to hearing all of your feedback, and I want to thank you all for listening.